Welcome to 3 Altman Court. Today we're nestled between Joe Pool Lake and the Big League of Dreams Stadium in a master plan community called the Spring Lake Estates. We're in Mansfield, Texas, where you'll find wonderful schools, wonderful parks, and everything your family enjoys. Let's go take a look at this luxurious home, fairly priced at $550,000. This beautifully designed home sits on a quiet cul-de-sac, offering charming curb appeal, a spacious driveway, and meticulous landscaping. Whether you're enjoying the peaceful surroundings or entertaining friends and family, this home offers a lifestyle you'll love. Step inside and experience the open concept elegance. From the soaring ceilings to the abundant natural light, every detail of this home exudes warmth and sophistication. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliance, and oversized countertop, perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings. And let's not forget all of the wonderful Kitchenaid appliances and double ovens. The primary suite is your private retreat, with a spa-like ensuite bathroom, complete with a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and dual vanities. So while this room is currently being used for the home seller's needs, it can easily be used for however you'd like it to be. It's a spacious room with great light, high ceilings, and behind there you'll find tons of windows. So while this may not be something that you would currently use it for, you can do whatever you want with the space when this home is yours. The additional spacious bedrooms and flex spaces offer plenty of room for family, guests, or even a dedicated home office. This space being currently used as a home office on the first floor could also be used as a second bedroom on the primary level. But the magic doesn't stop inside. Step outside to your backyard oasis, where you'll find a covered patio, lush greenery, and plenty of space to relax or entertain. Plus, living in Spring Lake Estates means access to beautiful walking trails, a community pool, parks, and of course, let's not forget, quick access to outdoor adventures at Joe Pool Lake. This is more than just a home, it's a place to call home. If you're ready to experience the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and community, come see 3 Altman Court for yourself. Schedule your private tour today. Well, we cannot wait to welcome you and your family into this gorgeous home. If you've enjoyed this tour today, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to be notified of all of our latest listings.